Hello again and welcome back, and now this is the part 2 of our video for editing diagrams in Canva. Now, as what I've said in our first video, I'm going to actually change the boxes here because as you can see the boxes are so small, and I'll be using a bigger text, so that's why I have to change them. Now, I just click at the elements and there's a vast of elements or graphics or diagrams you can choose from. Now what I did is that I choose this one to have the same color with the green and yellow diagrams that I already have. And what I did is that I cropped them and only remain the yellow and green and then duplicate, so I can cut them one by one. So this one is for the, I already have for the green, and this one is for the yellow. Now what I have to do is just to adjust them to their desired position and to make sure they fit well. And I also have to put in mind that the text that I'll be putting is actually fit in, and it would look clean and polished and professional. So as you can see here, I'm actually trying to make it fit in, but I still don't like it. It still doesn't look clean, so I've decided to adjust it and crop this one to make sure it looks clean and polished. Okay, now it's a little bit better, as you can see. Then next we'll have the green one. First we have to adjust this one, make it upside down, negative 180 degrees. And then we have to move it here in the green box and do the same thing. We have to crop this to its desired length